Welcome back to another episode of Modded Motors, or I'm going to officially call it Getting No Views because you guys did not watch our last video. Which is very true. I don't know what it was. I guess you guys don't like the Stelvio content. I'll just get rid of it, guys. If you guys want me to just crash it, I can do that too. But today we are doing a video with Alfamods. This is actually next day. Alfamods just came yesterday. If you guys haven't been able to tell, there's not a lot of creators in the Alfa Romeo space, even Giulia for Stelvio content. So there's a very, very small group of us. And for whatever reason, a good chunk of us live in Texas. So Eric is coming down from the Austin area to come by Texas Mako's bumper, which is really cool, us being able to show each other's car. He has Squadra. Pretty much we have the same setup. The only difference is mine is with race mode, downpipe, and bun for lumen circulating valve. His has a GFB. But other than that, we're pretty much same setup. We're both running Squadra. I did let him and his wife, Gabby, drive the Giulia around, get their interpretations of the build. But yeah, I thought it was really cool to see two creators cross over and kind of link up and review each other's cars. And I will say, if you are not already following Alfamods, definitely go to his channel. He has a lot of information over there that I think is very useful. I still use his channel, even to do the Euro mod, the last video that you guys really liked. I watched his video to do my video. So, you know, it's really good content. So make sure it's going to be linked down in the description. Just go over there, watch it, give some support. And then if you have more time, go watch my last video that you guys didn't watch because it's rude. So it did have like some cracks all down here. Oh, okay. And so I had an option to fix it with carbon or to just get it kind of like do the cheapest possible. I just use possible. I figure I'm gonna scratch it anyways. Dude, yeah, they should have been like that from the factory. Yeah. So many people would have been like complaining about way less. But now I don't know how to mount it. That's my problem. Because apparently, obviously, it has the actuators that actually mounts to, and I don't have that. So yes. Yeah, it looks like a mess right now.
If you actually see this, this is why this hood is worth so much money, because a lot of people don't get that. But
actual carbon.
Yeah, this is some money right here.
And then this will go here, and then there's another piece that's going to go here, and then I have to get this color matched to the car, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to go white with like some purple splatter here.
All right, so I'm Alfamods, everybody, and I'm so happy to be down here, to be honest, like, this has been a long time coming.
Yeah.
But my name's Eric, and I'm really happy to be here. And my wife, which she hardly ever gets to come out with us and do things, but
comparison video today between the two different cars. Clearly there's some differences between our cars. I'm going to put up a stock car right here so you can look at a stock car before we get into the differences between our two cars. Obviously they're both, I would say, heavily or modded kind of heavily. Currently running stock versus QV hood. Love the aesthetic front end. Obviously my front bumper is going to be a little bit different. I have this little insert here, and then obviously because this is a QV bumper, and then this front grille piece is obviously different than his, but he has the front canards, which look really good, front lip, which looks phenomenal. And you said that's OEM, right? The V?
Yes.
Yeah, but both V's are both OEM from Mopar. And then he has the side skirts, and I am eventually going to have those, but I don't have those yet. But those look really good. I've wanted to see what they look like in person, and honestly I think they look really good. But that's pretty much it. And then obviously the wing difference, I wanted to see the wing difference a little bit. And the only difference between, I'm running a 19 by 8.5 with a 25 millimeter spacer. Okay. Is what I'm running. That's how I got
that's how you got that stance.
That poke.
Nice stance too.
But we're pretty much running the same diffuser. Only difference is mine fits a TI. This is for a base, and then obviously our spoils are different. This is Alfisimo's Racing Edition, and then this is the GTAM replica.
Basically started off as a 2.0. It's a sport model, not a TI.
A little Squadra.
A
little Squadra tuning.
These are my favorite pieces right here. Koshi carbon fiber. They have a little bit of a larger weave than the other aftermarket stuff that you see. It's Koshi, Madness sells it.
Koshi Madness sells it. You can see the weave pattern, and then this is OEM weave pattern. If you guys can see the difference. Very interesting. Looks really good.
And then instead of putting like the 4-leaf clover, I just wanted to have something nice to look in there, so I went with the Koshi cover. Right. Built it up. My build's half cosmetic and half performance. I've got the Squadra tune. I've got the Madness Go pedal, the Go Fast Bits Pro. Okay. What it was, the Go Fast Bits.
GFB.
The GFB Plus. Now I'm back on stock intake. Okay. But it's a quick car.
You had the AFE.
And it feels good. I'm really happy with it. So.
this is all different. This is nice.
Yeah, this is the new stuff right here.
Wow.
Yeah, I completely changed out the console, which was very fun.
Oh yeah.
It does. The steering wheel does. I mean, it really actually does feel like it's worth
The money.
And I'm really glad that I'm getting to check this out in person. But all this carbon is so much better quality than I have the eye for the details. Like she probably wouldn't notice, but to me, I can tell this is leaps and bounds.
OEM, yeah.
yeah. OEM is OEM, and it even feels better.
Oh yeah.
Dang.
This makes ours look like.
Oh.
I feel like the
Cheap,
shifter,
you know?
yeah, the shifter is like the one thing that I really like to upgrade.
Yeah.
It feels like
It does. It makes a difference.
I'm horrible with directions, so like you can't ask me anything.
No, bro, I'm the same way.
He's the same way. I'm like,
I'm
we've
the
been here a
same way.
million times.
Dude.
I'm like, how do we not know? How do you not know?
Yeah, she's like, are you serious, Eric? Like, you don't know where we're at? I'm like, no.
Yeah.
Get some straight away there.
Yeah, dude.
It moves.
Yeah.
Yeah, she moves. Feels good.
Yeah.
I'm so used to doing this where I go like in manual and then I jump back to drive because I'm lazy like that. Sometimes, but dude, that was, man, okay, I'm gonna just do one more full. Do 5,000. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Race mode in yours?
No,
No, we don't.
Oh,
Yeah.
very interesting.
Oh wow,
Wow.
it's different.
Yeah.
Dude, that's cool.
Yeah.
I didn't know you didn't have race mode. I thought you had race mode.
No, bro. I just never did it, but like, that's cool.
Yeah.
Because it does change the shift responses. It's nice. Do you want to just head up and then U-turn it?
Yeah.
Or should I U-turn it right there? Probably right here,
Oh
right?
yeah, you can make a U-turn here.
Yeah, sounds good.
That works. Go into race, do a tiny pull on it. Hold it, there you go, you got it. Put it in manual mode. There you go.
I love that pop, dude.
Yeah, this is just a little bit more aggressive.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, dude.
That's awesome.
This is definitely way more like a fun time than my car.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm surprised about? That it hasn't reached 4 bars yet.
It stays pretty cool.
Yeah, that's...
Maybe it's is it the hood or what?
It could be, honestly.
It might be, because I'd be at 4 bars by now. I was about to say, there you go, 4 bars. That's what we're talking, but
Yeah.
with the Squadra, like, beforehand, I'd be at 5 bars sitting in Austin traffic, you know?
Right.
It's more than a good time in this car, dude. This thing is like an entire, like, show of fun.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's freaking cool, dude. And it looks phenomenal, too. Like,
Thank you.
You get this amazing looking car that sounds freaking crazy and looks like a QV, and it's like all of that without the QV maintenance.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Literally. He got to drive the Giulia a little bit.
Dude,
yeah.
super fun experience. It is just awesome.
They're the
awesome
same
experience.
cars, but they're very different. But again, we appreciate you coming out.
Yeah.
We appreciate you coming out and coming to spend some time with us today.
It was a blast.
Yeah, it was a really good time.
It was a fun time.
Don't forget to subscribe. If you watch this video and you thought to yourself, man, I really wish I subscribed, but you're not subscribed, you're just doing yourself a disservice by not subscribing. You may be asking yourself, Ricky, what did I just watch? What was the purpose of that? This is more vlog style that you guys have been asking for. I want to put out content at least every week. I know it's really hard, but these types of things that I normally wouldn't record are stuff that I end up doing and not recording. So here it is. That's what the type of content. Meeting up with other creators, selling car parts, and having a good time. With some friends, we went to go eat. I want to really thank Eric and Gabby for coming out. It was really, really nice hanging out with them. We ended up going to like lunch dinner, which was a really good time. Next video is actually with another creator, which is Z Godfather, or formerly known as Texas Mako, and we're doing the QV versus 2.0 debate. But yeah, that video is going to come out right after this one, hopefully within the week, and then we're back to mods. There's a playlist. Go watch the playlist, play it all the way through, then play it again to make our views go up, because it helps us out, and then we can pay for stuff to buy more stuff.
So,
Sense of direction.
Yeah, we're just in a loop now. Here we go.
We're letting the car warm up. That's what's happening here.
There you go.
So the tune kicks in.
Yeah, just get it to temps.
Okay.
Because I watched Alfamods video and we let it get up to temps.
We let it to get up.
Wait, I think we're going back the same way we just came.
All right, where are we going? Where's the start
now
point?
Now you're going in a loop again.
Yeah,
okay, so go
back
that way.
Go back to where we're at.
Yeah.
Okay.